Hello everybody, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Coex TV, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to interact with the Initia blockchain. Now Initia blockchain is a blockchain that is sponsored, or they are backed by Binance Labs. That is to say that Binance invested a huge sum of money to the success of this project, and most of the time projects that are backed by Binance are always listed on the Binance exchange. So if I am you, I would position for this airdrop. Now if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please, I'm begging you, we would appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this. So let's get down to business. So as you can see, this is the official Binance website, and Binance Lab invested in Initia, which is a layer 1 network for 0 to 1 rollups. So currently Initia, they raised over $7.5 million in their funding that they did. That is to tell you that there's money, and if you position the right way, when I mean the right way, you follow the steps, and you get it right, I see you making from 0 to over about $500 to $1,000. It depends. You could make more than that. So now let's get to the item for the day, because I listed it out. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be downloading the Initia wallet. Yes, they have their own wallet. So that's the wallet we're going to use to run every transaction we're going to be running today, because we are trying to interact with the blockchain. So I'll be leaving this notepad on the description page so you can get everything there. So don't bother stressing yourself at all. So you go to this place and you click on add to Chrome. So I'm about adding the initial wallet extension to my Chrome. And for those of you who are using Android devices, that is, you don't have a laptop or your laptop is faulty, you could also do this on your phone by downloading the Mrs. browser on your Android device. Now downloading the Mrs. browser, or also downloading the Kiwi browser, and put them on desktop version, and when you do that, you will not have any difficulty at all in doing this airdrop and positioning the right way. Yes, that's to tell you that both the Android users and the PC users can do this airdrop. So while we wait for this to download, let's go and check some. Okay, our airdrop, our initial wallet is set. So you could sign up in either of these ways. Either you sign up through Google, Twitter, Discord, you create a new account, you import a recovery phrase or import a private key. But for me, what I will do is I will create a Google account. I've already done mine, so let me just add my password. Remember, when you are creating a password for your airdrops, ensure you use a password you can remember. Use something you can remember. Okay, so now we're going to go and authenticate the sign up for Google. Now, like I said, I'm using Google because it's easy, one, and you won't forget it. Okay, so let's go. Oh, that's a security measure I activated, so we're good to go. Yes, you click on continue. Using Google to sign up save you from stress. Yeah, but it's better you create, it depends on your option though. Yeah, you do the best thing you want, something that you will not forget, and that's just it. So good, here we are. So as you can see, I'm set up for the next phase. So if you check here, you can see that I already have 29.84 Initia token. That's Initia native token, and as you see here, drizadishe.init. So I've already created my username, but I'm going to be taking you guys through the process all over again because we have 6 things to do in this airdrop: the wallet creation, request for FAUCET, your domain name, which is that username I have. You buy a domain name, you make a swap, yes, you stake, you provide liquidity, then you claim your experience points daily. And with this, when you keep doing it daily and you're consistent, you have no problems at all. So I'm going to be copying this what's it called, this link here now, so that you can request for what token. But for new users, once you create your initial wallet, at this place here, you're going to see what it will tell you: get testnet token. So for me, I already have, but I already have the link so that you will not stress yourself. So you paste this link here and you search. Now make sure you're using a good network. Yeah, use a good network to avoid you stressing yourself. You know, airdrops could be confusing if you are not using a strong internet connection. So you click I'm not a robot, I'm human. Yeah, because they are trying to reduce the number of bots. Please select objects that are bigger than adult lion. Okay. I hope we get it. Yes. So we're going to be pasting our address. I've already copied mine. You click on submit. Now as you click on submit, we have your request has been added to the queue. Now let me tell you this thing so you will not think that okay, you did it and it refused to work. Now a whole lot of people are trying to do this same airdrop just like you, so just be patient. When you request for your FAUCET and it does not land in your wallet immediately, be patient, be calm, don't rush. Okay, you go back, try back after 5 hours or after 2 to 5 hours or 6 hours, then you will see that your testnet token has landed on your wallet. Now remember, you saw where I got my wallet address from. You click on this arrow here, you see, you copy. This is copy. You copy your wallet address. So let's go. Now, it came in immediately. As you can see, it has topped up. That's 59.8. So that's good. So I would advise you try it now so that you get going immediately. Now once again, remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're trying to grow this YouTube channel to be able to serve you guys with quality airdrops, and you get going to your way to success in airdrop business. Now the third one is domain name purchase. So we're going to be purchasing our first domain name. Yeah, I've already purchased mine, but there's no harm in purchasing another one. So why doing this? I would advise you use a very long name. When you use short names like abc.init, it's very, very expensive. So it's better you use a long name, abcdefgh, something like. Just look at the one I'm going to be using, Dr. Anya Fulugo 1. Then you click on enter. So now they are searching it. Yes. So what I did is you increase the period for registration. So I increased mine to 5 years. Okay, registration price at the most is 0 int. So we'll connect our wallet first of all. So as you see here, native wallet, initial wallet, you click on connect. Now it's loading. Good. So as you can see, the things refreshed again. So you go back and increase the registration period to 5. You click on register. Now it's loading. So they are trying to estimate and know how much. So the transaction fee for this transaction we're about to carry out is 0.088 initial token. Now remember, this is a test token. Don't go and sell it. You can't sell test token. I know you're already seeing $59 there, $50 there. You think you can sell it. Don't go and sell it. It's a test token. In doing this, it will qualify you for the original token. So while we wait for this to approve, it doesn't take time. In less than a minute, you see, success. So now let's go to our page and see. initial usernames. Let's click here. No, let's go here. Yeah, my page is loading. So as you can see, Dr. Ezadishie, I have this. I have 2 usernames at the moment, but let's go to our initial wallet. Good. Now found the username Dr. Anyafulugo1 sent by this account. Would you like to rename your account with this? I've already renamed my account before, but there's no need. Let's go. Approve. So as you can see, I've already renamed it now. So I have Dr. Anyafulugo1 here. So it means I bought two usernames. So let's go on to the next step. As you see, it's very, very easy. You won't stress yourself if you follow this video guide. Yeah, that's why I'm here for you. But all I'm begging, all I'm pleading is what? You hit the like button and you subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is what we do, that will help us advance and give you the best of airdrops you need. So now the next step we are about to do now is we want to carry out a swap. That's swap between Initia and other what's it called? Other coins. Yes, a stable coin. So currently now you see the first thing you see is how much int will you swap. So 0 0. So it's either you swap from int to USDC or you swap from USDC to int. So after the end of this airdrop, I would advise once in a week, you carry out some swaps. It will help position you for the airdrop more, because all those things, they count. That's the total number of on-chain transactions that you have. So right here in Initia, let me swap 15 Initia. So 15 Initia is going to give us 13.67. So immediately you click on this, that's 15. As you can see, my balance has reduced here, but you can make yours 15 or 1. So you click on next immediately and you click on confirm. So you confirm the swap. Now they're requesting for our password, so let's input our password. So it's going to load. They are estimating the transaction fee required to approve this transaction. So you click on approve and you wait while it processes. Now if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, we would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and also you hit the subscribe button, because this will help us to grow as a team. Yeah, thank you so much as you do so. Now remember, like I told you, the initial team, they raised about $7.5 million for this airdrop, and they are backed by Binance. Any project that's backed by Binance will always be listed on Binance, so it has potentials. Now if you know what's good for you, immediately you're done with this airdrop, you have claimed your experience for the day, you claim tomorrow, then you do the same thing over and over and over again. You refer your friends. As you keep referring your friends, you keep claiming as more initial. So yes, you can see we have already swapped. This is network that's occurring here. So let's go over to the next stage. When you try yours, it's going to work. We'll go over to the next stage, which is the staking. So we're about to stake now. So we'll close this page and we impute this link. Don't worry, I'm going to leave this the links on the description page for you to have easy access to them. So how much in it will you provide? So let's see, 0.5. Let's provide 0.5. I don't want to waste the ones I have. So which validator will you stake with? Now these are list of validators that you stake with. Okay, so you choose any of them. Make sure you stake at least with 5 validators. Yes, like me, I've staked for at least 6 to 7 validators. Now you keep staking so that immediately you're done with the whole process, they will give you the NFT to mint and you get going. Yeah, though most times it could take some time. You could come back after an hour to see that all the NFTs are ready for you to watch. So that the transaction, though the network is disturbing, that's why it's taking time to load. Okay, good. So we have finally staked our our Initia airdrop, Initia TESTNET token. Now we are going to the next phase of this, but I would advise you do it over about 4 or 5 times, okay? Because the more you do it, the more you will be eligible, like the NFT will be available for you to mint. Good. So now we'll be going over, we are done with the initial staking. Now we want to what? Create liquidity pool, because if you check very well, you see that the first one we used, the staking, we used Initia itself. Now for the liquidity pool, we'll be using either Initia against USDC, Initia against Ethereum, and Initia against TIA. Now remember that while swapping your Initia, we swapped it to what? To the USDC. So you could decide which one you want to do. Like for me, I swapped from Initia to USDC and also Initia to what? To TIA. So the choice is yours, but of course have enough Initia. So now when you click on Initia against USDC, it will show you the USDC amount to impute. As you can see, I have about 16 there. I'll click next. Then you will choose a validator. Now let's change it. Okay, yes, you click on, let's put 1, yeah, because we're trying to save our USDC. Now you choose the validator you're going to use. You scroll down. If either you choose that JSON or you use another one. Like for me, I'm going with JSON. Then you click next. Then you try to approve the transaction. Now it's loading, though it's taking time, but yeah, you get used to it. Have a good network. It does not usually take this long. Or you understand, it doesn't usually take this long. So let's see. Now if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I'm pleading you give us a thumbs up, like our videos, and also you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Corex TV. This channel is 2 years plus and we are booming strong. So as you can see, the liquidity pool has been provided. We just successfully staked it. So we are going to do it again. Now, because of the requirement needed for this airdrop, you are required to stake initial about 3 to 5 times, and also stake in a liquidity pool, provide liquidity about 3 to 5, 6 times. You understand? Yes. So that's what we are doing. We have done the first liquidity. We want to provide the second one. So I'm using Initia against TIA, Celestia. Now remember, Celestia is a modular blockchain. The same thing with Initia. So it's going to be a wonderful one. So let's go. While we wait for the transaction to confirm, let's see what we have. Okay. Good, it's finally staked. Now what else to do? I told you try it about 3, 4, 5 times, so you can do it yourself and you know what to do. Now going on to the next one, we are going to be yes, I'm just showing you what to do. I've provided liquidity for USDC and Celestia. Now the next thing to do is to claim our experience point. Yes, because once you can click it from this place, or you could also check the link I'll provide in the description channel below. Now once you perform the 6 stacks available for you, they have 6 different NFTs for you to claim. Now if you see mine, I've already claimed about 2 of them. That's the first one for requesting for 30 FAUCET. I've claimed that NFT. I've minted it. Then the second one, which is for swapping. Yes, I'm showing you now. You got 100 experience for claiming FAUCET, 30 initial FAUCET to yourself. Now the second one is for swapping initial to USDC. That's the second TESTNET. No, for buying a domain name, not swapping, for buying a domain name. Is this third one now that I'm about minting, that is for for swapping one initial to USDC or Ethereum or Celestia. Yeah, remember we have a pattern. The first thing we did was we requested our FAUCET token. Then the second one was we bought our domain name or username. Then this third one, which is the swapping that we're about to claim, Yeah, it's taking time, I know, but let's go into other things. Yeah, so as you can see now, I'm showing you my referral code. Now with this referral code, it will earn you extra 50 experience points for each user you refer. Remember, this is a project that is backed by what? By Binance. So it's going to be very massive, and I would really love you refer your friends, your family, your loved one, anybody that has a phone, an Android phone or a PC. Refer them, because you are giving them an opportunity. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Good. As you see, we have already claimed this particular NFT. Now we'll move over to the next one, which is the one for staking. For staking what? Our Initia. Look at it. For staking, remember I told you you have to stake for about 3, 4, 5 times. You understand? You do it over and over again until you get it right before they will allow you access to mint the NFT. So we're done with swapping. Let's claim the one for staking. Now remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I would really appreciate you give us a thumbs up, and you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You understand? Yeah, it means the whole world to us, because we're still growing and we really need your support. Yeah, and also it will help us keep providing good quality content for you guys. Now we just claimed our 100 more experience. So for each NFT you claim, you get 100 experience points. So far we have claimed 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 400 experience points. And this one was for what? Staking Initia. Then let's move over to the next one, which is for providing liquidity. Remember, you have to provide liquidity for about what? 4, 5, 6 times. Do this. Manage your your initial token. Manage your tokens. You could use 1, you could use 0.5 to provide liquidity. It doesn't matter. You understand? The main thing is that you interacted. That's all that matters. Then going further, we have I've initiated the transaction. I'm waiting. Yeah, so one is done, we're good to go. Now what else do we have here? Okay, yes, we have minted for providing liquidity 100 more experience points. Now we'll go over to the last one. Now after this last one, we are going to be having what was it called? They call it build journey. But first of all, let's do this. Yeah, okay, let's see. It's loading. Now this particular one, now claiming staking reward. Now remember, we staked Initia. Remember, we also provided liquidity by staking to validators. Now when you finish staking all these things, this last axis will be showing 0. Now immediately it shows 0.06 or 0.1. It means that your reward has started entering. That's only when you can now click on it to claim. You first of all claim the reward you have gotten. After claiming it, you wait for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. You will see that your NFT to mint will appear. So that's it. Then moving on, is still loading. It's taking just a little time. Yeah, and we'll be done with it. Okay. Remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I know I've stressed about this several times. Yeah, it's because I'm an upcomer and we really need your support. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will really help us in growing. So we'll finally claim the last NFT. So we'll refresh the page, you understand, so that will pop up. The other 6 NFTs will pop up. So we're almost done. So let's go and claim our experience points. We've already claimed. We tried minting them, but network was disturbing. So you could experience same thing, and this is as a result of the huge traffic on the site. So I will take you through it one more time so you see how it's been done. Say you have collected all journey cards, combine them to build a journey. Say you got 600 experience, build journey. So now we're going to tap on build journey. Yes, and you see it's loading, and we're going to approve this transaction. Okay, now in doing this confirms the stage 2 of the airdrop. The first stage is to perform all the tasks and mint the NFTs, while the second stage is to what? To build journey. And when you build journey, you have the opportunity to what? To assess other aspects of the testnet, which is include claiming your daily experience that will allocate 50 SP for you daily, and also the last one, which is they have a referral campaign, and if you refer someone you get 50 experience. So I'll be leaving the code for you guys here. This is the code. Okay, when we're done with this one, I'll be leaving the code for you guys to use, and when you click on the code, you input it, you're going to get 50 experience points, and when you refer your friends, you also get 50 experience points. It's as simple as that. So the difficult aspect of this airdrop has been completed, while we just wait for these final stages. So now over to the referral code. I'll be dropping the referral code in the description page below. Yes, so that you can use it to earn yourself experience points, because experience point is going to be a major key factor in you rising up the rank, and also you qualifying for a good amount of this airdrop. It doesn't stop the fact that you already interacting with the various stages will qualify you, but you having experience points will qualify you very well. So now, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you where to claim your daily experience points, which is the 50 experience points. Then when you click on earn more XP, as you can see now, this is my own the referral code I got from my upliner, and I pasted it here, and I clicked on enter. So when you paste your referral link, the referral code, and you click enter, you're going to approve the transaction. Now most times, if the transaction has already been approved, you can still go ahead and wait. So as you can see, it's taking a lot of time, but then let's check if it has gone. Yes, so I've been able to claim my 50 experience points for using my upliner's referral link. So now I'm going to copy my own link and give to other people, but then we'll be feeding our Jenny. Now we got a baby Jenny, so we're going to be feeding the Jenny. And how do we do that? We do that by purchasing meal for it, and we use this experience points to purchase this meal for the Jenny. So as you can see, we have the common food, the rare food, and the legendary food. And the common costs 200 experience, while the rare costs 700 and the legendary costs 1700. So I'm going to be clicking on the common, and we'll be purchasing the common for now, until we are able to rise through the rank and get more experience points, and start purchasing other ones. So you see, it's not working. This is showing error. We'll try it one more time. Yes, we'll try one more time and see what happens. So okay, I'm going to go out of this page now and try. Okay, as you can see, yes, it didn't work because we have already claimed. Yes, we have already claimed. So it's going to be different for you. When you try it, it's going to work. I was having network issues. Now after doing that, I'm going to activate the food I just bought. You click on it, you tap on that one, and you tap on OK. When you tap on OK, it's going to bring up the transaction for you to approve. The transaction is not showing now because it requires password. Anything that requires password is protected by the system. So I'm going to approve the transaction, and once I approve it, the canned food that was purchased to feed the baby Jenny will be available to use. Now you need to understand that it showed success. So as you can see, there's enough food to feed the Jenny for 1 week. It said you already fed Jenny this week. Try your best to give her a few midnight. Yeah, so you can feed Jenny again in 1 day, 2 hours, 46 minutes. So this is just it. Now we're going to be looking for more options on how to get more experience points, and it is provided below. But then remember, you need to get more initial token. My initial token has been exhausted, so we're going to go and get more initial token so that we can, what, as you can see under it, it said earn more initial experience. So for you to earn initial experience, either you use their initial AI, of which I'm going to try and see what it has to offer to us. We're done with the airdrop. This is just how for you to accumulate more experience so that you can feed your Jenny. So there's Tiger, there's Lightcaster. So we'll click on mint Tiger. Remember, you need 1 initial token for you to be able to mint it. And immediately I connect my wallet. Let me see what we have here. Oh, I'm unable to mint this because I have exhausted my initial token. So for you to go into this stage, you need to have more initial token. Yes, more, so that you can mint and gain more experience. Now, okay, let's see what we have here. Let's see. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.